Now today formally we have discussed our preparation because yet it is road is already fixed on 26th of this month and 25th will be the day of this our traditional games, theatre, khera yatras, everything. Therefore we have to decide today and then we have discussion, detailed discussion took place. Right now my concerned people have gone for inspection of the route. Route is of this last time whatever carnival route was there from Kolwa circle to this our Borkar supermarkets via Ravindra Bhavan Road, and floats will be commenced from this our SGPDA markets on this road, one sided. One side we will put up some Samyana, and under the Samyana one side road will be closed for pedestrian and for spectators, and chairs also will be put up, and then it will go up to this Borkar where judges will be there, our guest will be there, and then after it will go further to this our bypass. The yatra was on 25th.
25th Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday. Government has given us only to organize, so we have to fund as routine. They are giving in two installments. First is 5 lakhs and second is 5 lakhs. These are 10 lakhs they have told us. Prizes will be given by them beside this expenditure. That standard they have given. We choked out this some committees and we have given their work. Now one is the, as you mentioned, the invitation to our persons who are on the dais. We cannot call any other
politicians.
VIP people, but we will request our chief secretary and then our concerned secretaries of tourism department, urban department, and this our art and cultures who have given their consent. Will see. Our state election commissioner is there, and after IGP we can call, DGP also we can invite. Like this officer will approach, who will give their consent we can call.